Here to check out a joint where the chef, he's from an Argentinian family. Now he's up here in Portland. Oh yeah, he's got a vegan restaurant. This is Aviv.
Falafel pita, medium.
I don't think there's really anything like it.
Shashuka?
It's the only Mediterranean restaurant that is entirely vegan.
They do a really cool thing here. They take these traditional Israeli dishes and then just kind of put a vegan spin on them.
He's perfect on seasoning. It's all super fresh.
So it's legit food, done right, great ingredients, local ingredients, and oh yeah, on the sidebar, it happens to be vegan.
Yes, yes.
Got a shawarma fry for table 3.
Tell me about shawarma fries.
It's a classic. It's just soy curls and potatoes.
Just soy curls like you see them every day.
Yeah.
You got a ton of different flavors and texture in there. It's great.
What are we making?
The shawarma fries.
What are we making the shawarma out of?
Soy curls. This has no
Yeah.
flavor whatsoever. You can add any flavor you want.
If you think about something like chicken piccata, piccata is the sauce and the flavor, and that's what we like. Chicken is the texture and the vehicle for the sauce.
This is our vehicle.
Hot water, amino acids.
Garlic, curry powder, garam masala. Gonna add our soy curls. The masher works really well to mix
How
it.
long is this gonna steep?
About an hour. Let it rest for an hour and then cook it off later.
What's next?
We're gonna make hummus. We got some lemon juice, garlic, the chickpeas, tahini paste, extra virgin olive oil, salt, of course.
So we've made the soy curls, got the fries cut. They've been single fried, but we go for a double fry.
Oh, yeah.
This looks exciting.
Yes.
That's a mess of jalapeno.
We're making schug.
Oh, that's what I was gonna
That's
say.
fun to say. Cilantro, lemon juice, parsley, fresh garlic, salt.
Ton of jalapenos,
Jalapenos.
seeds and ribs.
Oh, yeah, that's where the spice is. Cumin, coriander, cardamom.
That's like our spice right there.
You ready to try it?
Love to eat the enamel off my teeth. It's really nice.
It's nice, it's so good.
Yes.
Give it some time to recover.
Yeah.
No, it's good.
Not overly hot. Nice balance of the spices in there. Delicious.
We're making shawarma fries, some hummus on there. We'll add the fries with the soy curls. Drop half of it on the table.
I like how you don't try to get it in the bowl.
No, I'm not
correctly.
even trying anymore. Tahini sauce, amba, which is pickled mango, and then, of course, our zug.
Pickled turnips and jalapeno.
Yeah, we pick all this ourselves.
You're getting rich flavors, you're getting tangy flavors, you're getting salty flavors, you're getting spicy flavors. Soft texture, crunchy texture, smooth texture. It's like a 8-sided dice.
It basically takes you to Flavor Town.
That is absolutely a passport to Flavor Town. I mean, that is book stamped. Dynamite, man.
Shawarma fries.
It's a higher level of French fry making. The shawarma meat is vegan, but they season it really well to where you wouldn't be able to tell the difference.